I didn't
Okay.
ever hear that.
You've never heard that word? कोई बात नहीं. Reyansh, have you heard this word tantrum?
No, I've never heard of or
Maya, have you ever heard of this word tantrum?
Oh, no.
No? Okay. Yes, Reyansh? No?
नहीं करना है मुझे.
नहीं करना है मुझे. वो तो saying no हुआ ना. कितने प्यार से बोल रही हो नहीं करना है मुझे. ओके. मैं अभी कुछ एक्टिंग करके दिखाऊंगी और फिर मुझे बताना if you have seen something like this before. Okay? All the three of you, I'm going to act something. Sit up straight, Maya. And you are going to tell me, Tejas, look up. Tejas,
Yes.
में क्या है? What is distracting?
Nothing. I was just playing little.
Don't check that now. Okay. I'm going to do something and show you. And you are going to tell me if you have seen something like this before. Okay. I don't want to know if you have done this, but I just want you to tell me if you have seen something like this before. Maya, your class is happening behind. Okay. Ready? Shall I start? Okay. I wanted. I said I wanted. I will not take her. No. No, you said you will give me. I wanted. सब लोग उंगली ऊपर कर रहे हैं. सब लोग हाथ ऊपर कर रहे हैं. So Reyansh, have you seen this before?
I've done it.
Okay. Maya, have you seen this before?
But I don't just fast and not that much.
You have done this in your home. Okay. Tejas, have you done something like this or have you seen something like this?
I've done and I've seen.
You have done and you have seen. Wow, wow, Gyani. Very nice. Wow, wow. Now the best part is, you know what? It is interesting to know that all the three of you know about it. This is nice. I would have loved that the rest of the class is also there today. Baki sab, I don't know why they are absent. Some of the other reasons they have. But
I know.
okay. But I am glad that the three of you are aware of it. तुम तीनों को पता है कि ये क्या होता है. Reyansh, please put that aside. Reyansh, जब क्लास चल रहा होता है ना, you must keep your focus. हाथों में कुछ ना कुछ लेके उसके साथ फिडल करते नहीं रहते. Okay? Keep your focus. All right. Now I'm going to show you all a video and then we'll have a discussion on that video. ठीक है? चलेगा? देखेंगे? Ready? Chalo, sit back. Everybody relax, sit back. No fiddling anything right now. And
we are going to
going to share the video. Sit back, Maya. Don't come so close to the camera. Sit back.
I think this is a movie theater. That's why I'm eating.
You all want to eat your snacks and watch the video?
Yes, I am.
Okay. Quickly, 2 minutes may bring your snacks. If your snacks are ready, quickly 2 minutes may bring your snacks. Eat your snacks and watch the video. अरे वाह, सबका ready है.
I'm already ready.
Very good, very good. कौन कौन हाथ धोए बगैर खा रहा है? कौन हाथ धोए बगैर खा रहा है? तेजस ने ऑलरेडी हाथ धोए बगैर खाना स्टार्ट किया. Wash your hands and come, Maya.
I washed. That's my.
When did you wash, Tejas? खाना खाने के पहले धोया था हाथ?
When it was break, then that time only.
So that's not right. No, you should wash your hands before you eat. सीखा है ना EVS में? Cleanliness and hygiene में?
EVS, ma'am. UV or EVS?
Okay. Chalo, shall we start the video? Everybody sitting there with your snacks? Okay. I'm going to put your video audio on mute so there is no disturbance of any other sound so you can clearly hear this video. Okay? Ready? Chalo. So what they're saying is, you all know ones, tens and hundreds, right? Give me a thumbs up with your hand, not on the phone. Ones, tens and hundreds aata hai sabko? Sabko aata hai ones, tens and hundreds? Okay, good. Now you know how much this is? This number is really big. I'm going to read it out for you, okay? This is ones, tens, hundreds, 1,000, 10,000, lakh, 10 lakh, crore. Oh my God. This number is like 7 crore. What they're saying here, no? They're saying there are over 7 crore children who are under the age of 17. मतलब 17 years से भी छोटे बच्चे लोग जो हैं 7 crore बच्चे हैं यूनाइटेड स्टेट्स में. यूनाइटेड स्टेट्स मतलब अमेरिका. You know that, right? Yeah? अमेरिका में, इंडिया में भी इतने ही होंगे, इससे ज्यादा भी हो सकते हैं. They say 7 crore children, almost around less than 17 years of age, okay? And still, it's hard to wonder how many are acting like this. I'm going to show you a video. So what did it say? 7 crore children, and it is still a wonder. मतलब अभी तक सोच रहे हैं बच्चे लोग ऐसे क्यों एक्ट करते हैं. देखें बच्चे लोग कैसे एक्ट करते हैं. देखेंगे. रेडी?
Stop it! This is Megan angry. Look, angry. Megan.
Megan.
Shut up! What? Don't. No, that's enough. No. Do not hit me. Hitting is not okay.
Don't kill you!
Andrew!
Don't kill me!
Andrew does get a little rough with his brother.
All the time he tortures his brother and kicked out of daycare. It devastated me. I would love to find a preschool that can handle him, but I called everywhere.
Poop boo him.
Oh, he's gonna go into his mode.
Okay, poo poo, come here, poo poo.
Just tell him not to. Say, do not do that, Andrew.
Oh my God, what was wrong? What's wrong? क्या है? ये क्या है? हम बच्चों को देख रहे थे कि किसी जू में गए थे. I am going to repeat this video so you all can watch it one more time. Okay, and then we are going to have a discussion around it. It's really weird to wonder why children act like this.
Stop it! This is Megan angry. Look, angry. Megan.
Megan.
Shut up!
What? Don't. No, that's enough. No. Do not hit me. Hitting is not okay.
Don't kill you!
Andrew!
Don't kill me!
Andrew does get a little rough with his brother.
All the time he tortures his brother and kicked out of daycare. It devastated me. I would love to find a preschool that can handle him, but I called everywhere.
Poop boo him.
Oh, he's gonna go into his mode.
tell him not to. Say, do not do that, Andrew.
Oh my God. Everyone's finding this funny. Oh my, what is this, Reyansh? What is this? What is this? I don't want you all touching the phone, please. No one's going to touch the phone while you're eating. That's a strict rule in the class. No touching your phone or device when you're eating. No, I don't want you to tell me my left hand se karo ya right hand se. I don't want you to touch it. That's it. Okay, so I am going to open up mic one by one and I'm going to ask some questions. Okay. But I'm going to do that only after you have finished your snack because I don't want you to touch the phone. Everyone finished your snack? Khana ho gaya? Maya, then go, keep it and wash your hands and come. Reyansh, have you finished eating? If you finished eating, go quickly, keep your plate. Are you still eating? Okay, keep eating. Keep eating. All right. Tejas, eat fast, eat fast. Y'all eat and then I will open your mic one by one. Okay, Maya, so I'm going to open your mic. Okay. And my question to you is, what do you think about this video? Maya, I'm opening your mic. What do you think? How do you feel when you watch this video?
When I feel that about that video that the trying to draw some picture and naughty boy.
Naughty boy, why do you think he's naughty? Why do you think he's naughty?
That boy came and he insisted on that he started crying and going, his father told him to do that. She told, then again he did it, so that's naughty. That I feel about that was not good. And then we should also teach some lessons to the kids that they should teach a lesson like putting the right, not to neglect teachers and parents. And then we should also they don't so then we should put them out for some time and tell them don't go anywhere, don't use this way. So there are some parts you can make.
Okay, so you are saying the child was naughty, he was not good, and no hitting parents and teachers, that's correct. And also that if he continues, you should put him in a corner. Okay, that's fine. But how do you feel?
I feel like
Maya, 1 minute. Maya, 1 minute. Your video is frozen. Maya, just come forward and talk. Maya, can you come a little ahead and talk? Because your screen is frozen. Maya, 1 minute. Just stay there. Don't keep fiddling with your phone. See, this is what happens when you fiddle with your phone and then that's it. Things go off. You are giving a very important point and then now I lost it. Hello? Ah, she got logged out.
How class is going on?
hello, ma'am?
Yeah, okay.
Nice side? that the kids should be, sometimes improve their behavior, how they respect. You should also respect the
No,
teachers.
Maya, I asked you how you feel. You were saying something about his anger and then the network went off. So what were you saying about the child's anger?
That's what I'm telling. The anger for him. We should also sometimes teach him a lesson that we should not scribble when someone is doing a work. For example, I am doing something on my laptop. You suddenly came and pressed some other wrong button, and my message got deleted. So that is called. So I should teach you a lesson. Huh? Like that we should also teach that that lesson to not scribble when someone is doing a work on, if they are doing something, and you should not scribble on it.
Okay. So how do you feel about this video?
I feel a little sad for those. Yeah, sad. I feel sad for those small kids. Those small kids, like that they showed me the last time the girl was sitting to his and that boy was those children. I feel a little sad for those children who got hit by their, those kids' parents and teachers. If they hit their parents and teachers also, their parents and teachers also can get what we say, and
Okay.
So that was how I feel.
Interesting point. Very nice point, Maya. Now I'm going to open the mic for Tejas. Tejas, what do you feel about this video? You watched the video twice. What do you feel about it?
Very bad.
Very bad. Why?
I thought it will be little bad, but it is very bad.
Oh, okay. All right. What else do you feel about it?
And everywhere the children are there, everywhere is spelled, and there will only, if they do that, and they will only get hurt when they spoil everything. They will fall, they will get little hurt, and then it will come blood, and they spoiled and everything they hit and throw.
Okay. How do you feel about all these things? What do you feel when you watch this video?
Bad.
Bad. Okay. All right. Anything else?
And funny.
And what?
Funny.
Funny. Okay. All right. Hi, Varushka. Welcome to the class. I hope you're feeling better now. Yeah. Okay. We all watched a video and we are taking some discussion points on that video one by one. Okay. I'll just finish with Reyansh and I'll show that video to you as well. All right. Thank you. Yes, Reyansh, your turn. How do you feel about what you watched?
10 words. Shocked.
Shocked.
Shocked, and I'm ready, and I want to laugh like super hard, super duper hard. I'm laughing at it super duper hard. It's very funny, and it's shocking, and it's bro.
It is what? Bro.
It is like shocking, funny,
And like your eyes are popping out when you watch something like that. Oh my God.
my brain is just bursting.
Oh my God. Oh dear.
It's just bursting for how funny it is.
Oh, okay. All right. Anything else that you want to share about it? No? Okay. All right. Can we just watch this video one more time for Varushka because she's just joined the class? Is that okay? Yeah. It's like a 1 minute video. Please, let's just watch it for Varushka. It's just a 1 minute video. Yeah. Okay. All right. Varushka, are you ready? Have you settled? Varushka, we need to go for the next round of questions. Varushka, have you settled? Okay. Until Varushka is good looking to settle. Maya, my next question to you is, would you like to see something like this in front of you? Would you like to see something like this?
No, because in my house even I behave like this for mirror. That one I don't my mother is kind, she's cute, and I like her too sometimes. But I return
Okay, so you wouldn't like to see something like this. All right. Tejas, would you like to see something like this?
No, if that sound comes, it will get more sound. And I don't like.
You don't like to see something like this. Okay. Reyansh, we watched a full video on tantrum. Would you like to see something like this in front of you? तुम्हारे सामने ऐसा होगा तो तुम्हें चलेगा क्या?
And second of all, no.
First of all, you would laugh, and second of all, no. That's strong comment. Okay. I'm going to quickly share this video once again. So Varushka is also able to understand what we just watched and what we are discussing. Okay, Varushka, this is for you. It says there are crores of children across, but we really don't understand why they behave like this. Okay, Varushka, watch the video.
Stop it. This is Megan angry. Look. Angry. Megan.
Megan.
Don't. No, that's enough. No. Do not hit me. Hitting is not okay.
Don't feel you.
Andrew.
Don't feel me.
Andrew does get a little rough with his brother.
All the time he tortures his brother. Being kicked out of daycare, it devastated me. I would love to find a preschool that can handle him, but I called everywhere. Oh, he's gonna go into his mode.
Just tell him not to. Say, do not do that, Andrew.
Okay, Varushka, you watched that video. All right. How do you feel about this video? Come on, express yourself.
First of all, everyone said it's funny, but for me, nobody can make me laugh.
Okay, so that wasn't funny
Nothing
for
can
you.
make.
Okay,
No.
what do you say about this video? You tell me about the video.
First of all, I didn't like this video. There was too much noise.
It was noisy.
And-
Okay, I accept that. It was noisy. Yes.
And it was funny, but not that funny.
Okay. All right. So the next question to you, Varishka, is what would you like to see something like this around you?
First of all, I would laugh. Second of all, no.
Okay. All right. Yeah, Reyansh, she's saying it's like your answer. Okay. Yes, fine, Reyansh. I get that. Varushka, have you seen something like this before?
No.
Nahi dekha hai? Okay, fine. Now, my next question is going to Maya. Maya, what would you want teachers or parents to do when a child is throwing a tantrum like this? Now we all understand what's a tantrum. right? That's how we started the session, trying to understand what's a tantrum. What would you want teachers or parents to do when there is a situation like this?
Parents and teachers should mean that get together and teach the children in lesson. Every teacher, yes, teacher should take on something danda or something to hit them and teach them a lesson.
You want the teacher or the parent to take a danda and hit that child to teach a lesson? Okay. But can you think of something else? Reyansh is also suggesting a danda. Okay. Maya, can you think of something else? Do you think 1 minute. So on that, I'm going to ask one question. Would you like if somebody hit you with a danda? It's just a yes or no. Listen. No, I don't want explanation. Just say yes or no. Would you like if somebody hit you with a danda?
I just said. No, but and run away from there and come to my house and lock the door.
Are you allowed to hit someone?
No, I don't hit my I don't hit my, but I do.
So tell me, if you're not allowed to hit someone, how can teachers hit some child in school? If this happened in school, what should the teacher do?
No.
The teacher should put the child out of the class. Okay, does that fix the child's behavior? अगर बच्चे को you have never done that, okay, but if you said at the start of the class that you've seen this, so if we have to put, as teachers, we have to put the child outside the class, is that going to help the child? What do you think the teacher should do? Suppose I am the child who is doing this and you're the teacher. What do you think you will do?
I'm just worried about the talk to this child who 10 minutes and call me when you're done. So principal will talk to the child. The child principal, and the principal should put the child out of the school only. And they never come to the school again.
My God, you kids are giving me scary answers. Okay, all right. Varushka, I'm going to open the mic to you. You tell me, if you are a parent or a teacher, Maya, can we have some obedience in the class? Varushka, if you are the teacher or the parent and a child did something like this, threw a tantrum in front of you, what would you do?
I would either shout to them or I would either tell them nicely.
Okay.
Not hit them, put them out of the school.
Not hit them and put them out of the school. Thank you so much. That's sweet. Okay. Reyansh, you're desperate to answer. Yes, tell me. If you are the parent or the teacher and a child did something like this, threw a tantrum in front of you, what would you do?
Two ways. First, put him out of the playtime, and second, give him a timeout. And if he acts, and if he doesn't want to do the timeout and he walks away from the wall, just take a taser.
Taser? Are you serious?
उसको टेजर नहीं करना, उसको सिर्फ स्केयर करना. उसको बोलो, अगर आप स्टैंड नहीं करेंगे मैं आपको टेजर कर दूंगा. तो स्केयर करके उसको भगा देना. स्केयर करके उसको वॉल में डालना देना. Or just put him out of playtime, or just take him out of playtime and make him do math.
Okay. Children, each of you are giving me a response which is like violent. Okay. You cannot take one. Reyansh, 1 minute. I'm not judging your answer. I'm just telling you something. And this is to everybody in the class. Okay. Let us all first understand one thing, that as children, okay, you all are going to make mistakes. Agreed? सब लोग गलती करते हैं, आप लोग भी गलती करोगे. हम adults, teachers हैं तो भी हम गलती करते हैं. Correct? Yes or no? हम भी गलती करते हैं और हम मानते भी हैं क्लास में, अरे 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 मुझसे गलती हो गया, आई एम सो सॉरी, बोलते हैं ना. हाँ, okay. So what does that give you as a choice? That is it okay to make a mistake? I would say yes, it is okay to make a mistake. All right. Now, throwing a tantrum. Reyansh, can you tell me why would a child throw a tantrum? You said कि तुमने भी ऐसे किया है, तो तुम बताओ कि तुमने ऐसे क्यों किया होगा? Why would you have thrown a tantrum?
I did a very small baby tantrum. क्योंकि
Dude, क्या है ना? I'll tell you something. ये क्या color है? What color is this? Pink. इसको मैं green तो नहीं बोल सकती हूँ ना? ये black है क्या? नहीं. So pink ही है, red ही है, black है, तो tantrum भी tantrum ही है. वो छोटा या बड़ा नहीं होता है. Tantrum होता है. Okay? All right? ओके, सो टैंट्रम होता है. तो मैंने तुमसे ये सवाल पूछा क्योंकि तुमने टेजर का सब मेरे को जवाब दे दिया. मैं तो एकदम हिल गई भाई, बाप रे. टेजर तो आई डोंट थिंक इंडिया में हमको टेजर सब मिलता है कि हम स्कूल में रखे. अगर पता है यहाँ के स्कूल में ऐसे किया ना, हमको सीधा जेल हो जाएगा. किसी भी स्कूल में अगर हमने टेजर लगाया ना बच्चे में, हमको सीधा जेल हो जाएगा. वी आर नॉट अलाउड टू रेज आवर हैंड्स ऑन चिल्ड्रन इन स्कूल.
I got an idea. Why don't you just make them do math on playtime?
Why don't I know? This question is to you. If you are a parent or you are a teacher, what would you do? Not what I would do. What would you do? That's the question.
I would put them out of playtime, and then I would give them math on playtime until they learn a lesson. Do it for as long as it takes until they learn a lesson.
Till they learn a lesson. Oh, firm thoughts. Oh, okay. But one thing we will agree, Reyansh, that we will not hurt somebody, okay? No physically hurting, no taser wala business, okay?
Just scare them all.
Okay, as funny as it might sound, but that's not a choice we have. Okay, can we agree upon that? Yes. Okay, thank you. I'm going to. Okay, Varushka is desperate to say something. Yes, Varushka, tell me.
Ma'am, if I was a parent or a teacher, I would just shout at them or tell them nicely.
You would just shout at them or you would tell them nicely. Yes, sweet. That's a nice option. But tantrum में ना कोई सुनता ही नहीं है. Tantrum में तो ऐसे एकदम ऐसे हो जाता है. फिर क्या करें?
Shout them until they have stopped.
Reyansh, please don't do that. Okay. So, okay, you will shout till they stop. फिर क्या हुआ? वो भी चिल्ला रहा है, तुम भी चिल्ला रही हो. वो जितना चिल्ला रहा है ना वो बच्चा टैंट्रम में, उसको तुम सुना ही नहीं दोगे. फिर क्या करेंगे? है कि नहीं? The way the child was screaming, that's a tantrum, no? So the way the child was screaming, you think the child will be able to listen if you also shout? तुम्हें खुद का आवाज नहीं सुनाई देगा. फिर क्या करें? Point ना, तुमने देखा ना, the first thing everybody said was that this video is so noisy. Correct, it was too noisy. Because that's what happens in a tantrum. You all just don't realize it. That's what happens in a tantrum. Okay, I'm going to open Tejas's mic. Hold your thoughts, Varushka. Keep thinking. Come back. Yes, Tejas.
I think that we should just tell them and give time out.
You are saying you should talk to them and give them a timeout. That's a fair point. Yes.
And if we shout and do, we will only not listen our voice. And if it is loud of TV's noise, then also we cannot listen.
Okay. So you know what, children? All of you have discussed quite a bit about this. What I'm going to tell you is, I will send this video today. Okay. I want you to watch it with your parents. Okay. Watch it with your parents and you discuss with your parents what they would do if you threw a tantrum. Okay. But Reyansh, shh. Okay. What they would do if you threw a tantrum like that, and also do a reverse role play. Matlab, if your parents threw a tantrum, what you would do? You come up with that thought. ठीक है? Good idea? कि अगर पापा मम्मी ऐसे जमीन पे ऐसे लोट के ऐसे करेंगे, नहीं मैं सब्जी नहीं खाऊंगा, फिर तुम क्या करोगे? अगर तुम पेरेंट हो तो तुम क्या करोगे? जब उसका मुंह खुल के ऐ कर रहा है उसी में तुम सब्जी डालोगे, या फिर तुम शांति से वेट करोगे कि जब तक वो काम डाउन नहीं हो जाए तुम वेट करो और फिर तुम बैठ के बात करो? डिसाइड यू ऑल हैव टू थिंक. सोचना पड़ेगा क्योंकि तुम्हारे एज में तो हमने कई बार टैंट्रम देखा है. तुम्हारे एज में हमने कई बार टैंट्रम देखा है. Okay, I know everybody wants to say something now because now you started thinking, okay, but you know what? The next sir has arrived in the class. He also needs his time. I've already eaten into his time. Okay, I'll tell you what, we will discuss this in our next class on Friday. Is that okay? Yeah, I will give you more time to talk. Definitely. Okay, in our next class on Friday, I will give each of you more time to talk on this topic and I will also come with solutions. Okay, in the next class, we will also discuss solutions that if you identify that there is a tantrum, what you should do for yourself. All right, agree? Yes, sir. Go ahead, sir.
मैं भी मेरा एक्सपीरियंस शेयर करूंगा इस टॉपिक के ऊपर.
हाँ, यस. अगले क्लास में सर कि अभी
कराटे की प्रैक्टिस भूल जाएंगे.
वही. सो नाउ चिल्ड्रन, इनका स्नैक्स हो गया है सर. ये लोग वीडियो भी देख चुके, डिस्कशन भी हो चुका. सो आई थिंक दे आर फाइन टू डू अ कराटे क्लास. Okay, so children, please remember, in our next class, you have to watch this video with your parents. That's your homework. Maya, please sit down. Okay, you watch this video with your parents. Ask them what they would do if you threw a tantrum like this. Then role play. Okay, then ask them to throw a tantrum and you think and see what you would give as solution. Okay, agreed? Varushka, Maya, Tejas, Reyansh, agreed? Okay. Yes. All right. And then in the next class, I will also come with a solution on how you can not throw a tantrum. ठीक है? चलेगा?
And how to do not tantrums? Like talk them out. Like why?
That is for our next class. Rhea, that's for our next class. Okay? Reyansh, that's for our next class. Next Friday के class में. आज नहीं. All right? Be good. Have fun. Enjoy your weekend. Mwah. Lovely kids. Lots of love to you. Bye-bye. See you. But discuss this at home over the weekend with your parents, okay?
Okay.
Bye-bye.
Bye-bye. See you. Ta-ta. Mwah.